Hey there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the wonders of the human body. Today, we're going on an adventure inside the amazing world of your immune system. It's a fascinating journey that reveals how your body defends itself every single day. Your body is like a fortress, constantly under attack from microscopic invaders like bacteria and viruses. These invaders are always looking for a way in, but your body is prepared. But don't worry, your body has an incredible defense force, the immune system. This system is always on the lookout for anything that doesn't belong. It's a complex network of cells and processes that work together to keep you healthy. Each part of this system has a unique role in identifying and eliminating threats. Think of it as your own personal army, always ready to fight off any threats. These cells are like soldiers, trained to recognize and destroy invaders. This mighty force is made up of different types of cells, each with a special job to do. T cells, B cells, and many others work together to protect you. And just like in any good team, communication is key. These cells send signals to each other, ensuring they respond quickly and effectively. These cells send signals to each other, coordinating their attacks and making sure your body stays healthy. It's a well-coordinated effort that keeps you safe. So buckle up as we explore the amazing world of your immune system and see how it protects you from those pesky invaders. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible science happening inside you every day. Imagine this. You're playing outside and accidentally get a cut on your knee. Ouch! That cut is like a breach in your fortress walls, allowing those sneaky bacteria to sneak past your defenses. Once inside, these microscopic invaders waste no time. They start multiplying rapidly, trying to take over your body. But wait, your immune system is already on high alert, ready to fight back. The moment the skin is broken, a signal goes out, alerting the immune system to the danger. It's time for the first line of defense to jump into action. The first responders to the scene are the macrophages. Picture them as the brave soldiers patrolling the borders of your body. These Pac-Man-like cells are always on the lookout for invaders. When they spot trouble, macrophages gobble up the bacteria like a hungry kid in a sweet shop. They can engulf and destroy up to 100 intruders each. Talk about an appetite. But macrophages do more than just eat bacteria. They also release chemical signals that cause inflammation. You know how the area around your cut gets red and swollen? That's inflammation at work. It might seem uncomfortable, but it's actually a good sign. It means your immune system is doing its job, bringing more blood and immune cells to the area to fight off the infection. Section 4, Neutrophil Suicide Squad to the rescue. If the macrophages are overwhelmed, they call for backup. That's when the neutrophils arrive, like a fearless suicide squad. These guys are tough. Neutrophils are like the demolition crew of the immune system. They release powerful chemicals that trap and kill bacteria, but these chemicals also damage your own tissues. Talk about a double-edged sword. To limit the damage, neutrophils are programmed to self-destruct after about 5 days. They sacrifice themselves to protect the rest of your body. Now that's what I call dedication. Section 5, Dendritic cells, intelligence agents on patrol. While the macrophages and neutrophils are busy fighting on the front lines, another type of cell is gathering intelligence about the enemy. These are the dendritic cells, the secret agents of the immune system. Dendritic cells are like detectives, collecting samples of the invaders and rushing them to the nearest lymph node. Think of lymph nodes as the headquarters of the immune system. Once inside the lymph node, the dendritic cells show off their findings to a special team of cells, the T cells. It's time for the big guns to come out. Section 6, the T cell team takes charge. Inside the lymph node, the T cells are waiting for their orders. These cells are crucial players in our immune defense, always on standby to respond to any threats that may arise. These cells are the generals of the immune system, coordinating the attack and making sure the right troops are sent to the battlefield. They play a pivotal role in ensuring that the immune response is both effective and efficient. There are two main types of T cells, helper T cells and killer T cells. Let's meet the team. Each type has a unique and vital role in the immune response. Helper T cells are like the strategists. They analyze the situation and come up with a plan of action. They examine the evidence presented by the dendritic cells and decide how to best fight the infection. This evidence includes pieces of the pathogen, which help the helper T cells understand the nature of the threat. Once they've identified the enemy, they sound the alarm, releasing chemical signals that activate other immune cells. These signals ensure that the entire immune system is alerted and ready to respond. Killer T cells, on the other hand, are the special forces. They are trained to seek and destroy. They receive their orders from the helper T cells and then head straight for the infection site. Their journey through the bloodstream is swift and purposeful. Their mission to find and destroy any cells that have been infected by the invaders. They are relentless in their pursuit, ensuring that no infected cell is left behind. Section 7. Memory cells, remembering the enemy for next time. As the battle rages on, the immune system is already preparing for the future. It's not just about winning the current fight, it's about being ready for the next one. The immune system is like a strategic general, always thinking ahead and planning for future encounters. Some of the activated T cells become memory T cells. These specialized cells are crucial for long-term immunity. They retain information about the specific pathogens they have encountered, allowing for a quicker and more efficient response if the same invader tries to attack again. These cells are like the veterans, remembering the enemy for next time. Just as experienced soldiers can anticipate the moves of their opponents, memory T cells can recognize and respond to previously encountered pathogens with remarkable speed and precision. Memory T cells stay in your body for years, even decades. They serve as a long-lasting defense mechanism, ensuring that your immune system remains vigilant and prepared for future threats. This long-term memory is a key component of your body's ability to fight off infections. If you encounter the same invader again, they'll be ready to jump into action, launching a faster and stronger attack. This rapid response can often prevent the pathogen from causing significant harm, keeping you healthier and reducing the severity of any illness. This is why you usually don't get sick from the same germ twice. And that's not all. The immune system's memory extends beyond just T cells. The immune system also has memory B cells, which produce antibodies, special proteins that stick to the invaders and mark them for destruction. These antibodies are like targeted missiles, honing in on specific pathogens and neutralizing them effectively. We'll talk more about antibodies in our next adventure. Stay tuned to learn how these incredible proteins play a vital role in your immune defense. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of your immune system. It's a complex network of cells and proteins, all working together to protect you from harm. It's a complex and fascinating system that works tirelessly to keep you healthy. Every day, your immune system is on the lookout for potential threats, ready to spring into action at a moment's notice. So next time you get a cut or a sniffle, remember the amazing battle going on inside you. Your immune system is always there, fighting to keep you safe and healthy.